How to make bird sock paws. First I made a clay model and made a pattern from it. You can also get it on my shop. Trace to fabric and cut. Pin and sew everything together as shown. Same for the lining. Attach the lining by hand sewing. Turn the foot inside out. And stuff it with pillow stuffing. Remember to put stuffing under the lining too. Add bias binding. Dry brush some details on. And done. If you want to stay updated with the latest fursuit making tips and tricks, make sure to hit that follow button. And leave a comment if you have any questions.